Hi everyone, it's been way too long since I have done a hair tutorial and you guys don't deserve that. I got inspired by the lovely Toni Mitchell and decided to see if I can recreate this beautiful updo that she did on her hair. I think that was a long time ago. So without further ado, let's jump into this video and you guys can rate me how I did in the comment section below. And by the way guys, I'll link her video in the description box below. In order to begin this hairstyle, I'm going to take down this protective style that I've been rocking for like 3 days now. And just to inform you, I've already oiled my scalp off camera while my hair was still in the protective style. Once that's done, I'm going to divide my hair into 2 sections, and as you guys can see, the parts are not equal. I'm going to tuck away the smaller section, which is towards the front of my hair, because I'm going to be leaving that section to put in perm reds. And as for the back section, I'm going to create 6 large flat twists and bantu knot the ends. In her video guys, she braided the section with the help of her mom, but in my case, flat twists were much easier. The back is done, so now I'm going to move on to the next, and I'll be using medium-sized perm rods. In her video, she did lose 1 curls, but seeing that I do not have this type of tool, I opted for perm rods. Before putting these, I twist the roots of my hair, then put in the rods, and guys, I only applied my favorite leave-in conditioner. Once I'm done, I tie with my satin scarf and cover with my satin bonnet and head straight to bed. Now it's the next day and I'm going to remove the rods, and before separating the curls, I'm going to coat my hands with some of my oil mixture. With the help of some bobby pins, I'm going to fix and style my hair to my liking, fluff and voila, the end product. Now guys, it may not be exactly like hers because her own is simply gorgeous, but I am quite satisfied with how it turned out. What do you guys think? Leave your comments in the section below. Thank you so much for viewing this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.